let's explore today's journal kits with modern aesthetic theme. Cocoa brownies. Let's open this cocoa brownies journal kit. Inside the box, you'll get one A6 grid notebook with cover, 60 sheets sticky note, 20 sheets per design, 2-roll washi tape, 10 sheets folded paper with perforation, 10 sheets journal papers, 2 pieces envelopes, 2 pieces PET stickers, 6 washi stickers, 31 pieces daily stickers, 20 pieces card papers, 10 sheets pattern paper. For a total of 155 pieces. Overall, this journal kit is perfect for coffee lovers. It has that warm autumn cafe vibe, rich brown tones, cozy texture, and that comforting feeling. My favorite is these to-do list sheets. They're very functional and practical. I'll rate it 8 over 10. Meet in the Sunset. Let's open this Meet in the Sunset journal kit. Inside the box, you'll get one A6 grid notebook with cover, 2 pieces envelopes, 2-roll washi tape, 60 pieces note paper, 20 pieces per design, 31 daily stickers, 20 cards, 10 sheets background paper, 10 sheets washi sticker paper, 2 sheets PET stickers, 10 sheets material papers. And 10 folded sticky notes. For a total of 153 pieces. Overall, this journal kit is perfect for anyone who loves an orange aesthetic. It has beautiful warm tone that feels like golden hour, soft sunset, and cozy evening vibe. Another favorite of mine are the perforated paper. They're so versatile and you can tear them neatly for layering, order, or mini insert. I'll rate it 8 out of 10. Dance in the Moonlight. Let's open the Dance in the Moonlight journal kit. Inside the box, you'll get one A6 grid notebook with cover, 60 sticky notes, 20 sheets per design, 31 calendar stickers, 20 pieces card papers, 2 pieces envelopes, 2 roll washi tapes, 10 folded paper, ten sheets material papers, 10 sheets washi sticker paper, 2 sheets PET stickers, 10 sheets material papers. For a total of 161 pieces. Overall, this journal kit is perfect for purple aesthetic lovers. It has the creamy, elegant vibe mixed with soft lilac tones. My favorite are the moon stickers. These are so unique and eye-catching. I'll rate it 9 out of 10. Paint Dream Set. Let's open this Paint Dream Journal Kit. Inside the box, you'll get 60 pieces memo paper, 20 sheets per design, A6 grid journal with cover, ten pieces decorative stickers, 10 pieces silver butterfly stickers, 10 pieces lace stickers, 5 pieces PET stickers, 2 pieces lace paper, 5 pieces paper card, 5 pieces frame card, 25 pieces stamp stickers, 1 roll washi tape, 1 roll PET tape, 6 pieces sticker sheets, and 15 pieces material papers. For a total of 162 pieces per set. Overall, this journal kit is perfect for purple aesthetic lovers. Calming, dreamy, elegant vibe. Very dainty. My favorite is definitely the silver foiling. It catches the lights and instantly makes your page look more luxurious and elevated. I'll rate it 10 out of 10. Moonlight Serenade Set. Let's open this Moonlight Serenade set. Inside the box, you'll get A6 grid journal with cover, two lace paper, five PET stickers, 10 decorative stickers, 10 silver butterfly stickers, 10 lace stickers, 5 pieces butterfly stickers, 5 pieces paper card, 5 pieces frame card, 60 pieces memo paper, 20 pieces per design, 1 piece washi tape, 1 piece PET tape, 25 pieces stamp stickers, 60 pieces sticker sheets, and 15 pieces material paper. For a total of 162 pieces. Overall, this journal is perfect for blue aesthetic lovers. It has that calming, dreamy, elegant vibe. Very dainty. My favorite is definitely the silver foiling. It catches the light so beautifully and instantly makes your page look more luxurious and elevated. I'll rate it 10 out of 10.